Hey guys.
Darcy!
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is another installment of trying the darkest shade of a Korean foundation. Except, no, it's not! We're doing concealers today. We've never done concealers before, guys. This is gonna be so much fun. Recently, Mimibox sent me their new line of concealers from their new makeup line, Kaja. So Kaja is actually sold at Sephora. It's in a lot of Sephora stores, and it is sold on Sephora.com. So it's very accessible, and because it is sold at Sephora, it does have a wide shade range. Wow, what a concept. You know, I'm a reasonable person and I don't expect Korean brands to have colors my shade when they're only sold in Korea. But if you're selling it here, like, who are you selling to? I actually made a comment about this previously, but I work at Sephora and the majority of girls that I work with are tan to dark skin. So when Korean brands come to Sephora and they don't have that wide shade range, they don't sell very well because A, they don't fit the clientele, and B, they don't fit the people who work at Sephora, the employees. So how are they supposed to recommend this BB cream, this cushion, this foundation if we've never tried it before because it doesn't match us? If we don't wear it, we're not gonna sell it. But it looks like Mimibox with this new launch of Kaja Beauty is really doing it well. I have not tried the products yet, but looking from the campaigns, from the shade ranges that they provide, it looks like they're actually making an effort in the international market. Okay, rant over. Let's get started on these swatches, girl. Yes. So there are 12 concealers. Okay, let me say that again. 12 concealers is a lot for a Korean brand. They sent me the last 6 colors. So I have 6 colors here that I'm going to be swatching for you guys, and then I'm going to try and guess which is my shade, because look how dark they get. I didn't know that they had sent me 6 concealers, so I was just like, oh, this is a concealer too. Oh, this is a concealer. Oh, this must be the darkest shade. Oh, snap! This ain't the darkest shade, this was the darkest shade. And then I see another one, I'm like, oh snap! So we're gonna be doing a highlight and contour today with a Korean brand. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm on the Sephora website here, and I've actually selected number 9 Chai Pudding. It's described as deep with neutral to red undertones. And if you go down into details, you can see that it's described as medium coverage, good for all skin types, and it has a natural finish. Buildable, light to medium coverage, creaseless concealer that has a light as air feel. So this concealer is going to be really good for if you're looking for a more natural look, or if you're just having one of those days where you're putting on very light makeup. Be good for the summertime. And it has pretty high ratings, guys. Pretty high ratings. 91% would recommend. Nice. Alright, so let's look at all the videos and stuff. Cool. I love when they have videos. So the models, they just have really natural looking faces. Barely putting on anything, applying with fingers. Okay, yeah, see, it's just very natural looking. And in Canada, it retails for $24, so in the US it's probably like, what, 18 or something like that. So it's very affordable as well. So this is the lightest shade that they sent me. Obviously, way too light for me. But this is called, let me see here. I have my reading glasses on. This is called Sweet Toast. It's got a typical doe foot applicator. Let's see here. This is the second shade. This is called Candied Ginger, and it's number 8. So we're on the 8th concealer. This is also gonna be way too light for me. Just feeling it on my arm feels like a really thin consistency. This is called Chai Pudding. We get into my kind of colors now, okay? Chai Pudding. After Chai Pudding, we have Maple. Maple has a very pinkish, reddish undertone to it. Cocoa Macaroon. This one's really watery. And then the last shade is called Coffee Bean. So based on those swatches, looks like this one, what's it called again? Chai Pudding. Looks like Chai Pudding is gonna be closest to my highlight color because I use concealers to highlight, and Chai Pudding is number 9. So there are still 3 shades darker than this one, which is amazing. I'm gonna prime my skin with my MAC Strobe Cream. Then I'm gonna take my Solwasu cushion. I'm just applying it with my beauty blender. I love this cushion. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing foundation at all. Okay, so I'm gonna take Chai Pudding and put it in all of the regular spots. It is really watery. And by watery, I don't mean that as a bad thing. It's just like a thinner consistency that blends in perfectly. It spreads really easily but doesn't give that much coverage. So I'm gonna put on another layer just under the eyes because, girl, I got a lot to hide under these eyes, okay? I'm dehydrated. So I'm gonna take one of the darker colors and see if I can contour with it. I'm gonna take Cocoa Macaroon, which is number 11. I'm gonna take the very darkest color, which is called Coffee Bean, number 12. And I'm gonna put that along the jawline. Oh, girl, I do not like cream contouring. I just don't. So, I'm not a huge fan of the concealers as contour because of the thin consistency. It doesn't really blend very well. I look so dark right now, like so bronzed. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face and then come back, put on the concealer again, and do the rest of my makeup. Okay, so I just have the Chai Pudding concealer on right now. As you can see, it's a very natural finish. I did put a little bit of powder over top, but the color goes pretty well with my skin, so I'm liking that. I'm gonna finish off this look and then come back to you guys. So I went with a kind of more natural beat today for this natural looking concealer. It definitely does conceal my dark circles still. Because it's such a thin consistency, it does crease easily. So I would definitely use a powder with it. I did use a little bit of powder, but not a lot today. I just used a little bit of highlight and contour palette from NYX. So I used this yellow color up here under my eyes and around my nose and mouth area. I feel like I should have used translucent powder instead, but I wanted to keep the theme like really light, so I didn't. It does crease a little bit around the eyes, but let me tell you something, kiddos. When you get to my age, everything creases around your eyes, okay? I got wrinkles, honey. Otherwise, it's a really great concealer. I would use it on days where I want more natural looks. So this would be really nice in the summer, a really nice light concealer in the summer, springtime. And now I actually have a Korean concealer that is my shade. I think it's time to do another video where your girl tries a full face of Korean makeup, because I'm pretty sure I got enough now. And I got enough that is actually gonna look good and I'm not gonna look crazy. So let me know if you guys want me to try a full face of Korean makeup again. If you guys want to check out the first one, it will be linked right up here somewhere. I don't know where the eye is. You know what I'm talking about. These concealers have been out for a while, so let me know if you've tried them in the comments below and what you guys think of them. Let me know what you think about this whole shade range debate. This is just my personal opinion that if you are going to be international Korean brands, then you have to cater to the people who live internationally. It just makes sense. But what y'all do in Korea, I don't care. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching another one of my review videos. I know you guys love these videos, so I'm gonna keep making them. Let me know what else you want me to review in the comments down below. I know, everyone wants me to review the Halaka foundation that Jella made. Well, guess what? It's sold out, so. And they say dark shades of Korean foundations won't sell out. Huh. Interesting. So thanks so much for watching again, guys. I will see you in the next video. I love ya so much.